In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit ticket in GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside the app, how to describe your concern clearly, and how to let GCash's support system create a ticket for you. First, open your GCash account on your mobile device. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that your app is up to date, so the help features load correctly. If you're asked to verify your login, do it securely and never share your PIN or one-time passwords with anyone. Once you're in the app, go to the Profile section. This is where GCash keeps your account settings and support tools. The profile icon is easy to spot on the main screen, and tapping it brings you to a dashboard with options related to your account. From the profile page, tap Help. This is your gateway to the GCash Help Center. Here you'll typically see common categories and topics that address frequent concerns. If one of these matches your issue, select it to see recommended answers. These articles can quickly solve many problems and are worth checking first, as they often include the exact steps to fix common errors. If you don't find what you need in the listed topics, or if you prefer guided assistance, choose Talk to Gigi. Gigi is GCash's virtual assistant, available right in the Help section. Once you open the chat, you'll see a message field where you can type your concern in your own words. Now type your issue clearly so Gigi can assist you and create a ticket. Include key details that help support understand the situation, such as the type of problem, when it happened, and any reference numbers you already have. Keep your explanation short but specific. For example, mention the date and approximate time of the transaction, the amount involved, and what you saw on the screen. Avoid sharing sensitive information like your PIN, full card numbers, or one-time passwords. If Gigi asks follow-up questions, answer them as accurately as you can so the system has everything it needs. As you finish, Gigi will guide you through the final prompts and create a support ticket for you. You should receive a confirmation with a reference number. Keep that number in a safe place. It's useful if you need to follow up later. That's it. Open your GCash account, go to Profile, tap Help, choose a relevant issue or talk to Gigi, then describe your concern so a ticket can be created. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your GCash issue resolved smoothly.